In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic progress bars in Google Sheets in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening up a Google Sheet. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, make sure to do that first so you have access to all your documents and spreadsheets. Once you've opened up Google Sheets, you'll want to select the specific sheet where you'd like your progress bar to appear. This is going to be the canvas for our project today, and having a clear idea of where you want to place the progress bars will make the process smoother. Next, you need to determine which column or cell is going to contain the data for your task or percentage completion. This is important because the progress bar we're about to create will rely on this information to reflect accurately. Once you've decided which cell will hold your task or completion data, you'll now need to identify a separate cell for your progress bar to display. This is where the visual representation of your progress will come to life. Now, here's where we bring in a bit of magic with formulas. Click on the cell where you want your progress bar to appear and start by entering the formula. You'll use the sparkline function in Google Sheets, which is a fantastic way to create mini charts directly within a cell. Type sparkline into the cell. This function allows us to visualize the progress made on tasks using a simple bar chart format. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter to execute it. If you've set everything up correctly, you should now see a progress bar in your selected cell that corresponds to the data you input earlier. This is an incredibly useful feature, especially in collaborative data environments, as it allows you to easily track progress and completion at a glance. And there you have it. A fully functional progress bar right in your spreadsheet. The best part is, this progress bar will automatically update as the percentage or task completion changes, ensuring you always have the most up-to-date information at your fingertips. Remember, using progress bars not only makes your data more visually appealing, but they can also enhance the clarity and efficiency of how information is conveyed, especially in team settings where staying updated is critical. With these steps, you can now effortlessly track progress and keep your projects on the right path. Go ahead, explore this feature and see how it can be tailored to suit various needs within your Google Sheets. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to pause and re-watch if you need an instant refresher. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting.